window. There.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this window then.
Alright.
Hit.
Bravo's in trailer 3.
Hey,
Trailer 3.
hey, get your hand down.
Medic right here. Get your hand down.
Ready.
We're all good, guys. We're all good. Where are they coming? Where are we getting hit from, guys?
What are we gonna do?
Yo, Medic. Lower windows and trailer 4.
All right.
Get the fire off those windows.
What windows? What windows?
What's down this hall? Move. I'm headed. Man, what do you think? Go.
Josh, what do you need? We're in trailer 3.
Alright. What trailers are they in?
Here. Mark your head. Last window, no.
You guys doing down there? Going good? Get the
Fuck out of this guy.
What?
Shit!
the bed in this trailer, okay? Security up. Security up. Watch your windows. Hold your position.
Are they in the woods anywhere?
Down by the fort, huh?
Keep them up there, trailer forward.
Look out, get out of the window.
We still need people in this window. Come, get that window.
Are we going to any trailer?
Give me one guy. Give me one guy. I ain't gonna give you Angel. No, don't give me Angel. I'll find someone. Take one of these guys with you. I'm sorry, but I can't get it done.
I'll go. Hey, I'll go with you.
Crossing fire! You ready to go?
Yeah, where are we going?
Get the flag.
Head.
Bill, you want me to regroup and
Alright, I will do that. Wait, no, what is this?
watch the door 5.
Door 5, what? Do we have friendlies in trailer 3?
Who's in 6? Shoot, we got guys there. Are they in 6? Oh, shoot, they're fine.
What trailer are they in?
They're fine.
I see it.
They're coming around. I saw a ton of people coming around.
Okay, just as an update, I think trailer 5 has enemy contact.
They're gonna rush on that side.
Watch your back, Josh.
You mean watch my back? No, not back, sorry.
Are they in trailer 1? Yeah, I see them.
Right. Josh. Yeah. We could probably try to get a grenade.
They were rushing.
Go respawn. Hold on,
Let me see. Hold on, before I make a decision, I want to see.
Go respawn.
Alright.
Yeah, we're dead when they send us.
Medic! Wait, he's in the window right there. Bathroom window, Josh. Small window left of the door.
Okay.
Do we have a medic in this trailer? Should I go respawn?
Go respawn. I don't think we have a medic in here.
Oh!
Dead man, come on.
Oh! Shit hit.
We gotta hold this trailer.
Bill, what's your status? Are you doing that or not?
Michael!
Oh!
Guys. Yo, Orange! Cover that way, we're going to the flag.
Are you leaving?
We're moving out. We're moving 7, okay?
Yeah. Aim yourself. Ooh. Oh, jump. Keep trying. Fire on trailer 4. Taylor, you hit? Ah, I'm hit. Sit down. Give me your hand. Oh. Out.
The guy can pop out. Come on. Got him. He's hit. Look out, look out. I hit him. I got him. Look out. Got you.
We can't. There's a fucking gunner. You can fuck around. It doesn't work that way. There's going to be guys over there too. It's not just these guys.
Whoa. I totally hit that guy.
I can't do it. Where's Nick and Bill go?
Got you. Wow.
Guys going on like 20.
Got you. You're so. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Head down.
I almost got hit.
Keep your head down.
You want to pop shots, you make them quick and you get back in the cover. We're not getting out of this.
So what you say?
Whoa.
These friends are going to get out. Sweat like a bitch over here. The 249 gunner, trailer at the 12 o'clock in the doorway.
Alright.
He's popping in and out of the doorway.
That is a 249 gunner. Watch and fire.
What'd you say?
249 gunner in the trailer, 12 o'clock.
Which one? Which one?
The 12 o'clock.
No, which trailer number?
He's in the doorway.
He's in the doorway.
He's popping in and out of the doorway.
Whoa.
In the window.
I totally got.
Come over there. Copy. I don't know what the fuck to do. I don't know what the fuck to do.
We just gotta sit here and make sure they don't come up here.
Copy.
Alright. Go ahead. I dare you. Rush.
Over there. Okay.
This window's hot with a lot of guys.
They ain't firing. They're not firing.
Watch out for a rush. There's only like 3 guys in here. They can easily get up.
Oh shit. Move away. I got movement.
I see it. I got him.